guys, welcome back to our channel. Normally in New Orleans, dirty rice is made from scratch, but today we're finna make it out of the dirty rice box. What we're gonna need is ground beef, dirty rice, and seasoning. The stove is hot, so don't forget to ask an adult for help. Alright guys, now this part is really simple. All you gotta do is just put the ground meat in the pan, and then we gonna put a little seasoning. While your ground beef is cooking, you want to bring some water to a boil. Once your ground beef is brown, you want to drain the juice and put the ground beef in the bowl. Now we got our ground beef in the bowl, we're going to put it to the side and start on our rice. Everything for your rice is already in this packet. If you want to be fancy, you can add some extra onions and pepper. But we just gonna use the pack. So we're gonna add the contents to water that's already boiling. And give it a little stir, and then we're gonna wait a few minutes. Alright, after you're done cooking your rice, you wanna get the ground beef and put it with your rice, mix it up, and then we're done. Let's plate it up.
Mmm. Mmm.
Oh, it's time for the taste test.
Yummy.
Mmm.
It's good. 10 out of 10. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.